Hello friends, today we will make Rava cake. Rava is also known as Semolina and has several health benefits. Enjoy watching the recipe. Take 1 cup Rava in a mixer jar. Add half cup sugar. Add 1 cup fresh curd. All these ingredients are easily available in your kitchen. Make a fine paste and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Cover and keep aside. Take a 1/4 cup ghee in a separate bowl. Add 1/4 cup whole milk kept at room temperature. Mix it with a whisk. Continue stirring to let it mix well. It is ready. Now open the cover of the bowl containing the paste. Add the mixture into it. Now place a sieve upon the mixing bowl. Take a 1/4 cup Maida, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and half a teaspoon baking soda and sieve. Stir and mix with spatula. Stir and cut and fold method and see that no lumps remain. Add 4 to 5 drops of Kevda Essence. Stir and mix well with the help of a whisk. See, the texture of cake batter is perfect. Now pour the batter in a pre-greased mold. Upon parchment paper. Tap the mold and bake for 35 minutes in a preheated microwave oven at 180 degrees. Check by piercing the cake with a toothpick. And let it cool on rack. Remove the cake from mold with help of a plate. The Rava cake looks perfectly baked. Cut, slice and enjoy. If you enjoyed my recipe, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.